Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to add Coinbase to Google Authenticator. In order to add Google Authenticator or enable two-factor authenticator, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go ahead and open up your Coinbase application and then log into your account. When you're logged in, press the profile icon from the top right hand side corner. As soon as you click on it, then you'll be able to see a profile icon, and from the profile page you have to go ahead and press on settings. Next, you need to go ahead and swipe towards the left and click on security. As you are on the security page, then you have to go ahead and select Authenticator. As soon as you click on Authenticator, it's going to show you this sort of interface. So here what you have to do is you just have to enter the two-step verification code that has been texted to your mobile number or to your phone, and tap the confirm button. So as you've done that, you'll be able to scan the QR code. So click on enable and you'll be able to receive some sort of messages on your device or onto your mobile phone. Confirm it and you'll have successfully added Google Authenticator into your Coinbase, or you've connected Coinbase to Google Authenticator. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.